It's Goggles. We went to fly a couple of parking lots tonight. 2 batteries in one parking lot, 1 battery at the gas station. The gas station one was probably the coolest, because like, I don't know, there's just more stuff to fly around there. But yeah, I went to go fly at the little gas station and do a little ripperoo around some little gas pumps and stuff like that, do some flips and spins. But I'll shut the fuck up and I will let you guys enjoy this trashy, dirty DVR. Woo! Thanks for making it this far. Go check out all of these pilots all over. Everyone's super cool and everyone's flying all kinds of different ways, and it's super cool because everyone's like all over the country, and this is what I love about this hobby. You get to go fly like a bird on crack in a parking lot, and then go put it on the internet, and then you go see other people flying like birds, like they're on crack, and then you get to meet them, and then you're like, yo, you fly, I fly, and then like, hey, just like whole, this is really cool. Anyways, I appreciate everyone watching my fucking shitty channel. It means a lot to me. Yeah, I'll shut up and I'll let everyone enjoy their awesome lives. Woo! We'll see y'all later, man.
One in your little frisbee. Oh!
Well, fuck, he's flying.